Morning, sweetheart. Good morning. And look, Ty takes yesterday off and she literally drags in here today. But,
And my back.
oh,
Oh,
that sucks.
oh my girl. Can you say hi,
We're
everybody?
going to call that a wave.
Hey, girl, hey.
We're going to call that a wave. Well, that looks like it's healing up nicely. The hair's growing back in around the outside. Just a little left in the middle to go. Just got those switched. And that one emptied. So now on to something else. Glad I cleaned this the other day. See an issue? This stretch has been messed up for a long time, obviously. Because the plan is, if you notice the concrete, it's actually broken right there, all the way through. It's about 4 feet. It's broke off almost all the way to that gate. And this outside lot needs to be a little bigger. So that's why we have no man's land right here. And the post sticking up because that's all supposed to help support the concrete that was going to go in here. And we were going to concrete out to there and follow that. Put a concrete stub wall along all the way. At some point, obviously, we'd have to leave a place for a little liquid to drain. And that hasn't been done. Cost a lot of money. So, we just keep patching this mess up, and wood fence don't last long in Oregon. Not this part of Oregon, anyway. I'm not going to say these are new by any means. And if you like that, yeah. They got pushed out long ago, and then we spaced it. Well, everything that was spacing it is rotted out. And actually what was spacing down there was a chunk of good railroad tie. This one appears to be a little wiggly. I know those next two won't move at all, but they've all been spaced to make things work right. Keep the fence straight up and down. So what we're going to do today is coming off just down to here, though. Going to leave that one. Going to slip something in behind here. This 4x goes all the way through, so it's solid. And we're going to take those off. We're going to take the old overhead line out. And figure some way to space off of that to support it. And I'm going to take a piece of cow panel and cut it. Let's sit down on that one. And fasten her to the pole. However we fasten it there. And same thing here. Then we just got to reconfigure that hot wire. It's been kept back there so you don't catch the gate on it, but I think we got enough clearance. We can screw a knob in right there and just come around. See how it works out. In the meantime, power's off to this one. They're not happy because they wanted to be out here. And thankfully, the weatherman lied like normal. There's supposed to be 95% chance of rain this morning. Well, today. It was supposed to be dumping all day, kind of like they said yesterday. It actually quit raining at about 6 o'clock. Didn't do anything for maybe an hour, but it's been a nice drizzle ever since. And what the hell is it? It's after 10 now. So I got to round up some tools. Figure we need to get that stuff out of there. Ty's going to get the bike in a little trailer. I'm going to cut a bunch of shit wood with lots of nails in it. Oh yeah, and there's the panels, so I got to get one of those lifted out of there and cut it down. Either cut it down or bend it in half, which is actually a fairly viable option. Bend it in half will stiffen the top and it won't need a board across the top. So I'd have to find a board. Lands. That's what we did. It's braced back with 2 2x into a 2x there that's spacing another 2x there because ain't much of that board here, so that's all holding it. Ran this one through, so we cut both because why? Well, why cut it off? Spliced there, spliced there. Don't have anything left, so now we're looking for a 10-footer to go across here so we can catch that far 2x4. And I don't care if the top one's a 2x4 or a 2x6. I mean, there's a hot wire right there. Get this hot wire back where it belongs. Hopefully have it made. You've seen how our day went earlier. Which brings me to these things. Such a collection. Old. Some just full of shit. Lower jaw there's pretty well worn out and full of shit. I got one out there. Yeah, it's that size. Got another one out there. Must be the size of this one. Makes it clear down there. I grabbed the little one and started taking that water line apart. Guess what? Jaws on this one look brand new compared to what's on it. I got some of it apart. It was not easy. And, you know, right time to get some jaws for some of these, I guess. I know part of that I'm going to need more like those two. Even though it's only 1/2 inch pipe. It's been there for 20 years, I suppose. It was tightened up good and tight back then. So, but we got that fence fixed. Started on that pipe. I just ain't got enough left in me. I didn't sleep good last night. Don't feel good today. Ty's the same way. Neither one of us feel like walking a ladder around in the shit and taking pipes apart. And didn't get squat done in here other than came in here, grabbed a bunch of tools, and they're still out there in the trailer. Meant to bring a battery in and put on charger, but charger wouldn't get turned on till morning anyway. And I don't know, I gotta go see Blake before she goes home. Her mommy and daddy went home from work early today. They both had headaches, didn't feel good, and they just got to the point in their day they said screw it. So they were home a couple hours ago, I think. Maybe get that out of here tomorrow. And yeah, try to figure some of the rest of this out, plus what we gotta do outside. I don't know if it's gonna rain tomorrow or not. I only came back in here to make sure the stove was turned down. Because Ty got garbage earlier, shut the lights off, but... Oh, I didn't touch that, Dad. Well, did you go look? No. But I gotta head to the house for a little more. We'll get you some Blakely. Blakely back in for the visit.
We're the filming crew. Right, Blake? We're the filming crew. Because Brent's package came, which means there's presents.
Yeah.
Oh.
You dork.
Yeah. We're supposed to say it.
And he just messaged me about something else, so laughing about something I sent him.
Who's that?
Let's not cut the cap.
Are you waving? Good job. Good wave.
Blakely's got paper to play with.
You want paper?
No.
But she was reaching for it. Want this one?
No.
You got it? Okay.
Oh.
There you go. There's a smile. Another piece.
So just give her one at a time, Dave.
Okay, I'll give it on to you.
I'll throw it on the floor with the other one.
We have an oak.
Merry Christmas, friends. From the farm crew.
From the Wee Farm crew.
From I can't read.
You can't use big letters.
Don't put it in your house.
Hello. That's
You got
sad.
shrink wrap for Becky to play with.
Oh, my favorite. I love the
She's
pop
working the cat
bubbles.
flame. Oh, we got more shrink wrap for Becky.
Oh, that's a look.
Let me see.
I vacuumed and she wasn't fond of it.
More for her.
Hang it out.
More for her.
That's what he gave us. Thank you.
Well, he knew. You're like a cat playing with the freaking toy on the ground. See, and there's more.
See?
So now we know what Becky got for Christmas.
Merry Christmas. to
Merry
me.
Christmas to Becky. She'll be happy till the first of the year anyway. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got another piece. Hey, I think
Oh,
this
couldn't
was
forget
used.
about rain.
This was used. It's got wrapping paper glued to it. I'm gonna go out on a limb and I'm gonna say that this.
No! Oh, Mom will undo it for
Oh
you.
my God! You've got a Hereford.
Bird.
Oh, a soft Hereford. Oh, look at that! You loved all.
Oh, you say thank you.
And
Say thank you.
the rest is mine. I think I'm supposed to share some of this with Ty. I might let Becky have some of these ones.
Yeah, she'll
That's
be
because I'm hot and spicy.
Spicy.
on what planet?
They're both hot and spicy.
Because I'm spicy. That's very true.
Oh.
I didn't know they were that one.
Oh no.
Do I reach it?
Don't drop her. Or drop her. I want to. Just like the kid playing with the
inside of the
paper.
dog's here.
She can sit there.
Ring here.
I got her
Good,
foot.
Dad.
My foot has her. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Brent
The
and family.
Ericksons.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
Oh, Rain wanted to say thank you
and
too.
you're missing
Hey,
the smile on
Rainy,
Blakely's face. The smile on her face. And with that, thank you for watching,
Rainy?
everybody.
Hey, baby.
Rainy thinks it's her toy. She rips them up trying to get the squeakers out.
So
But
sweet.
Brent, I did notice something when I was taking it out of the box. What are those things above the ears?
They're horns. But it's a miniature.
Yeah, it's a miniature. Got them short little legs.
But remember, Brett doesn't like those miniatures.
say
That's right, he doesn't. Oh, and by the way, a nice warm, very muggy day today too.
And chewing on
She's
the horn.
probably gonna have that horn off in 10 minutes, 10 seconds.
Knowing her.
Don't let her chew on her too long. You'll be taking it out in a diaper later.
At least I will have that one later.
Oh, you might. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody.
Thank you, Brett.
Thank you.
Thank you very much to the Ericksons. Obviously, she loves it.
Yes.
Is that your cow?
Oh, yeah.
Hope everybody had a good Monday. And hope everybody has a great Tuesday, too.